Hey, in this unit, I would like to take a closer look at the product overview in Shopware 6 and the features that are provided there. So, first of all, we have the possibility to filter specific products. And we have the possibility to do a bulk edit, so we can change multiple products at the same time. I know that there are other ways like import export or changes via the API, but for the most of us, the changes via the bulk edit in the administration would be the easiest way. So let's navigate to the overview. Just click on catalogs and then products. As you can see here, I've created multiple products which are simply a duplicate of the American Ultra Stratocaster, but I always changed some values like the stock or the price. And for example, there I deleted the variants or the product image. It still shows the cover, but believe me, there is no media behind that. Okay. And as already mentioned, we can now filter these products. So I can click on this symbol on the right, the filter symbol, and then I can, filter with whatever I want to. So first of all, I can do like a stock filter where I can say, okay, I only want to see products with a stock under 10, and then in a short time, the products will be displayed. Also, I have the possibility to combine filters. So I can, first of all, look which products have a stock of 10 or less. And then I can go to the images and, could look up which products not have a image assigned. And then there is only the guitar 5 left, as I already mentioned that this guitar has no media. Okay, and if I want to, I can always reset our filter. Okay, now let's combine the filters with the bulk edit feature that I already mentioned in the beginning. So let's imagine that you want to change every price of a guitar. I don't know, maybe when they priced above 700 euros. Then we go to the price filter and just enter 700 here, right? Ah, sorry. So now every guitar is displayed that is above 700, right? 750, 800, 900, and so on. When I now click on the checkbox at the top, every product will be like checked or selected, and I can also exclude them again if I want to, just by clicking on the checkbox of the product. Then, if I want to, I can click on bulk edit. As you can see here, items per page is 200, and there are multiple pages, so you can edit a lot of products at the same time with this feature. For now, we will just work with this too. Okay, so then on the right bottom, just click on Start Bulk Edit, and then you can see all the information or all the values that you can change in the product. So we can, if we want to, change the description, the active state, and so on. There are many, many, many things that we can now change. But as we said in our example, we first of all want to change the price, right? What we have to do is just enter a new price. So maybe every guitar that was above 700 is now in the new pricing 650. Okay. The net price will also be automatically calculated. And as you can see, we can not apply the changes right now. The reason is that we have not checked the change checkbox here. We have to do this for every value or box that we want to change. We also can change other things like text. We can add new ones. This can be very nice if you have a product without a media or something like that. Then we can go and add a check media tag. And after we've applied the changes for all the products that we have selected, our media department could like filter the products in the overview and then add some media to them. So we can also change this, right? Then if we are happy with our changes, we can apply the changes. Then just one more time, we can click on apply changes. There is just a little warning that it can take a while because if you choose much products, yeah, there's much processes to do, right? But in our example, this will be very fast. Okay, so as you can see, already finished. Then I can click on close. And if I go now back to the products or the overview and I delete the filter, so I can go on reset all at the top, then I will see, okay, now there are the two or yeah, three guitars that have a price of 650, right? Yeah, and that's basically it. And if I go into the Guitar 3, for example, I can also see the check media tag, which I can now also in the overview filter. So I can just simply click on here and all the guitars are displayed. Yeah, last but not least, I would like to recommend you to, yeah, play around with the features here. Yeah, you can use different filters, go through some, yeah, scenarios that you have in your daily doing and try to get used to it. Also to the bulk edit and not only to the filters, because you can do much with it. Even the prices that we have changed now could be advanced prices and so on. Yeah, we will see us in the next unit. Bye bye.